In this video, I will be showing you how to remove Copilot from the Windows 11 context menu. Let's get started. First, I'm opening up the Copilot web version that's installed on my desktop to give you an overview of how it looks and works. It opens up a new window where I can see the dialog box. I'm going to test it by clicking inside the message bar, typing out a prompt asking about important leadership skills, and hitting send. As you can see, Copilot begins generating a detailed response, complete with bullet points, structural comparisons, and explanations outlining why these specific skills matter in a professional setting. Once I'm done looking through this, I will close out the Copilot application entirely and return to the main desktop. To completely remove the application and clean up my system, I will go down to the Windows search bar at the bottom of the screen and type in Settings. I'll click on the main Settings app icon when it pops up in the search results. Inside the Settings menu, I'll navigate to the left side and click on the Apps tab. From the list of options on the right, I'll select Installed Apps. This will bring up a full list of all the software installed on my computer. I'll scroll all the way down through the applications until I locate the standard Copilot entry. Once I find it, I will click on the three horizontal dots on the far right of the app line, select Uninstall from the small menu, and confirm the uninstallation by clicking the second Uninstall button that appears. After removing that entry, I'll scroll down a bit further through my installed apps list to see if there are any other remaining components. As I continue scrolling down, I see a second item labeled Microsoft Copilot, your AI companion. To fully get rid of this one as well, I'll click the three horizontal dots on the right side of its row, click Uninstall, and then click the final blue Uninstall button in the confirmation pop-up window. Once that finishes processing, I can safely close the settings window and return to the desktop, knowing that Copilot has been completely removed from my Windows 11 system and its context menu. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.